Bum bum bada bum 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 bada bum 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 bada bum 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 bum. Whoop whoop. Hello there. Good morning to me. I am actually heading to MOA Arena to buy VIP tickets for Treasure's Reboot tour. Wish me luck, y'all. And currently I'm walking to MOA Arena, so yeah. Hi, Mimi. Nag-space out siya. Another Mimi. OMG! Oh my god! Wait nyo, tickets nyo. Hi guys, I just secured my VIP soundcheck ticket for Treasure's Reboot Relay Tour. My gosh, makikita ko agad ang Treasure. I'm just so happy, going to see Treasure again. And look, so MJ secured our ticket. I'm so happy for us. Oh my gosh. So yeah, that would be it. So I'm just walking back to the condo to rest. This is a job well done for today. Let's go. Good morning. Time check, it's currently 5:40 something. I don't know. But we're about to start our day. Oh my gosh. I can't believe we're already here. Anyway, going to get ready. So, yeah. Rise and shine. Attendance check. Yep. She's going to do a TikTok transition. Let's go, Queen Yasmin. Why? Hi, I'm done liguing. And she is doing Marimar. Yeah. So we are going to apply sunblock. Because makeup, we're broke buying the ticket. We need to really protect our skin. Dahil dapat maganda kami sa pananaw ng Treasure. Paningin di pananaw. What the hell, Homer? My Filipino is very Oo, pananaw. Marag pwede na magpuwet. Mangga. So anyway, yeah. We're looking fab just with the sunscreen. And kamulo na si Mosol Hides. Mosulhi is like, oh my God. Muna na siya ang kanang winning moment ni Mosulhi nga hair.
Okay.
Sa concert na siya.
Concert pa ang ano.
Oh yeah, we'll see.
Itsura sa after.
We will see. Malalaman nyo later. For the books. Okay. So, ganun. Yun lang po. Wow. Okay. That's for the hair. D5.
Kasi si T5 yung makapagod siya ko.
D5. Mahina ang iyong mga kalaban. Oh, talawa. Parang taga Naruto. Lagi. So makikita nyo lang, gaganda din kami. For the ganun, no? That is the charm of this look. Uy, hi! I lost track with my vlogging. And we are going to MOA because we are going to eat first before we go to battle. Yeah. Diba? For the girls kasi ate dyan. So yes. So yeah, this is the final look. With those cute pearls on my eyes thanks to Loxy. So yeah. We are going in the elevator. Oh, grabe ang update. Clingy. Clingy kayo.
Prof. Darian Sigani.
Yes. Pearl of the Mosulhi.
And yun sa...
Oh, yun sa. For the books.
Sa with the lettering.
Pupunta ako sa Germany para kunin si
Already
Hong
warned you.
Huh?
Already warned you. Masakit si...
No.
Siya.
No. Sure. For the books. Okay, so we're going to take photos. It's our daily daily photos with this mirror. Das Magi CDO. So, guys, actually na namang light stick, guys.
Tagsami.
Oh, tagsami. Di na naman ni kailangan sa mani. Tura. And actually, we're visiting our beloved husband. Nandito si Jongwoo, si Haruto, nandyan si Jonghan, and all of them, they're actually here po. Si Dobby and Asahi, and also we have Jongkyu, Jaehyuk, and my beloved Yoshi and Jihoon, and Trehyun Sak, and the boys. It's so hot right now. We're just here sa shade, so like we're trying to cool down. Hello. So after taking pictures with the banners, the posters, we're just waiting for the mall to open because it's still 9:47. So we're just minutes away from the opening, so we can go pa aircon in the mall because my gosh, it's a need. Okay lang naman yung init ngayon, but with our outfits, it's not okay. So yeah, actually guys, yun lang. We're just waiting. We're just cooling down. And yeah, oh, di ba ang ganda? We're very pretty with the coquette girly and the pearl. Siya. Yeah, ganun. Kaya Jongwoo. Hi! Yeah. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda ng Nuna mo. Ay, Nuna. Nunim. Mura kong X-Men. Oh, for the boobs. Boobs. Okay. So we're already in the mall and Loxy is buying her touch-up because she needs a touch-up for her piloka. So yeah. I'm going to see them later. What ka lo? What ka?
Panan ko.
OMG! Oh my gosh, such a slay. So now we are magpapakabusog po kami because
Wala nang kainan mamaya.
yes, it's going to be a long day. I'm opening my rice burger. Rice burger. I'm back with my Teresen. We'll eat muna. We're done eating. And we have a +1. Hi, Viv. Yes, we're a trio now.
Yeah.
So yeah, T3. T3. Show me 3. Ganun. So ito. Nagpipinatensyon na po kami.
Parang ano ko naman dyan.
Ang haggard na po namin. O, diba? Parang fresh pa kami kanina galing sa Wendy. Tapos ngayon, hello! Mukha na kaming mga lechon. Oh, see that? Oh my God! Parang crispy. Malutong. Oh my gosh, haggard na talaga. Good luck to us, my gosh. So, NANI? Nakikita na ang totoong anyo. Yun na namin. Char. Hindi pala mag-give up. Nandito ng treasure. Oh, diba? Oh. Coach. Kaya pa ba? So, we're here at Alpha Mart right now. We're resting. We're resting. Change hairstyle si Viv. So, for the boob. So, we're just waiting for the strapping na lang. So, yeah. Strapping time. And, hi, Lox. Hey! First strapping! Let's go! Hi there! We're already here sa queuing. O, busy pa itong isa ka friendship diri. The baby hair.
Wala, uy. Ang pula ng fest na ko. Anyari, girl. Pakita ko. Sadali. Yung kapila pala.
But, may medalyo na po ang ating Loxandra. OMG, so it's such an achievement for her. It's an upgrade of a seat. It's not a seat anymore.
See if ganito pa rin next year.
Yeah, so this will be her evaluating performance. Performance? Yeah. So ganun. O diba, hair na naman. Naging sadako na naman tayo. Yeah, actually. O diba, ang busy. Dalawang tote bag. This is for the freebies and this is for the kayamanan sa panagat. O diba? Na-stress na po si Yunansong at si Mosulhi. Ayoko na. Actually, ang ganda ng pearl stickers nail locks because it's so strong. We have been sweating for like hours now. So like, diba? O, nakadikit pa rin. Yan, for the boobs. Parang muta lang. Ganon. Treasure. Oh my gosh. Ala. Oh my God. Parang with hangin. Oh my God. Guys, hindi lang to si Mosolhi. Si Kinyasmin din to.
Magandang pinyas.
So I'll be showing you a montage of everything that I will pass by later on, and everything, pretty much everything. So yeah, see, let's get mesmerized by Treasure. Y'all, Treasure effect. For the boobs. Finally. Treasure, we coming. We are here. Let's see.
13 minutes na lang.
모든 게 내가 멍청이어서 그래 왜 그랬을까 Unbelievable So nice gentlemen Mahal kita You prepare some amazing gift for the
Pandesal yan, Yonsok! Gosh!
Good to see you. We'll be back soon.
Ilabas mo ng bakery!
What you waiting for? What you waiting for? Show me out.
gosh. Those backs.
Three, two, one. Happy birthday, Yoshi!
Happy birthday, Yoshi!
Okay, the second one. Is it?
Post-concert looks. In fairness, nakapaghihapon ng pearl sa hair. Ako guys, wala na guys. Bisan kamay ra gigi ako ah. Kamay ra gigi ako ah, wala na. For the books na. So yeah. Hi guys. Guess where we are? We are waiting. So na LSS ba? Ito siya mag-LSS to Wonderland. Ako guys, gusto lang kumukhaon. Hi! Day after con. Anong nangyari sa neck mo?
Masakit. Sobrang sakit.
Yeah, for me, I don't know. Yung dila ko lang po yung masakit kasi because of the samgyup. Because of the egg. So we're here at Ayala Mall, Manila Bay. And we're going to eat the classic savory for the go. So yeah, it's her send-off meal. Send-off meal! Sana all dito may pa-send-off. Sa Treasure, wala talaga kami.
Thank you so much.
Bye, of course. See you soon. She going. that sums up my concert with Treasure and Roxy. Bye y'all. It has been Home Button, and I hope I can do more videos just like this. So, bye. Bum bum bada bum 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 bada bum 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 bada bum 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 bum. Whoop.